What's going on, everybody? Just kind of a update video, kind of what I've been up to. Um, I've kind of busted out the 3D printer again, and I printed out the Bane mask, and I'll have pictures of it. I don't have it. I already gave it to the customer. Um, One of my coworkers asked me to print that out for him, so I got the file from Game Body, printed it out, and I'm trying out this new filament. Fremover PLA or .net, I think is the company name, and they're about $10 or $11 a roll, something like that. Which is a really good deal right now. But I've been printing out other things with it. I'm actually printing out Darth Vader in PLA. And I mean, this is kind of some of the detail you get with it. I mean, there was no support, so I mean, even the bottom half where it was on the print bed, it came out really, really nice. There's a couple. So the problem with some of the cheaper filament is it's not really. The supports tend to fail more because it's not as durable, I think is the word. So these two did really, really good. There wasn't hardly any support on either one of these, so they worked really, really awesome. I mean, even this one, I mean, even the material, just the detail I get with, and this is just black. I got black and blue as the colors, but I've been playing around with that the last couple days. It's a really cool source to get stuff. I think I got the 10 rolls for like $115, which isn't bad. Something like that, yeah. And even with shipping, that's ridiculously cheap. I've also been playing around with the 3D printer for the resin stuff. I printed out a smaller Goro, and for the most part, it turned out. I still have to figure out a lot of the settings and stuff, but I ran out of resin, so I've successfully gotten this Spider-Man. There's this deer statue. I'd actually like to print this out bigger, but and then I got this Cyclops, and I already busted off his face, the front visor, so I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with that now. But I will have my thoughts on the resin printer. I just haven't had a lot of time to play around with it. I've been asking people, how to get the settings. So I've gotten prints to work, but you got to be able to hollow stuff out and get it to work, and I need to buy 4 or 5 containers of resin and just spend a year figuring out how to get the but it's hard. It's really, really hard to get it all up and going. But that's kind of what I did with the filament side, and now I get quality like Darth Vader's helmet. That's so cool looking. So I just gotta be patient with it. So for right now, it's actually tore down and put away. One of the other thing, I got the Anycubic, so it has the metal structure. I think if I was to get a different printer, I would get the one that has the plastic, covers, like a Tupperware thing that sits over them that are in yellow tint. I think I would do that again, because once you get your hand. I only have medium-sized hands, but it's pretty cramped for the most part. Yeah, so for the most part, I'm still kind of really learning. I got the Batwing done. I think I already did a video on that. I've printed out some of I primed the Predator that I've had in going. And then I also primed that Goro figure, the bigger filament figure that I've been working on. And just kind of having fun with it. I'm going to start another kit here pretty quick, but I just, have some things going on personally that it might be a little bit, but for the most part, yeah, it's going to be fun times going forward. Hopefully I can get a new job to where I can have Fridays and Saturdays off. Or even Saturday and Sundays off. Yeah, so hopefully everybody had a good Mother's Day weekend since it was this last weekend. Sorry there wasn't a show. I took Mother's Day weekend off. I'll probably take... No, I think I have someone lined up for Memorial Day. But, yeah. So, hopefully everybody likes this, and I will be doing another video shortly. Later. Bye.